Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on today to do a layout for the Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, and this is for day number 8. So in theory, March 8th, if you're watching this in real-ish time. And let me show you the sketch today. It's by Susanna Lee from the Scrap Room, and I love it. It's going to work so well with the page kit I have. So big old title here, and it has a heart. I'm going to be using clouds, but I'll show you. I'm going to use a white background, kind of like what I see here. Photos here, and that works for my photo. And pattern paper here, paper, oopsie. Paper, little embellishments. I like it that you can go so many directions with it. So this will be fun to play with. And of course, Susanna's super talented and all of that. So what I have here, it is a page kit by Meredith Twilling from Not Just for Boys Kit Club. If you've been following along with me for this series, I'm trying to do the first 15 layouts for the Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches with Not Just for Boys Kit Club kits. And then I'm trying to do the next 15 with Scrap Room kits. And then all kinds of goodies and embellishments and stuff thrown in as well. So this is a page kit by Meredith from July 2021. Now, I've already used the title that came with it. There was a cardstock cut that said silver lining. I used that yesterday. And I took one of the pieces of the white paper out of this kit as well and used it yesterday. So I've been stealing some things. So I'm going to use a white for my background. It's not going to be very white, trust me. Then I have this Paige Evans from the Wonders Collection, number 6. Love this. And then the back side is this gorgeous, deep, let's see, like goes from lighter to darker in the navy family. I've got Dots and Stripes Gingham by Echo Park. So tone sunflower yellow, and then a gingham going on a diagonal. It's called Starfish Gingham. There we go. Very nice. Then from Pretty Little Studio, it's kind of satiny. This is from Savannah Dreams, and it's called Daydreams, and that is single-sided, so lets me know how to use that. So the other things I have is I have the full pack from Savannah Dreams by Kim Walton of these. It's clouds and raindrops and some wordy bits. Now my picture I'm going to use isn't anything to do with that, but that's all right. We're going with it. And I also have this pack of word stickers from Heidi Swap. And guys, I switched my Invisalign tray today, and I can't say my S's again. I don't know. That's how it is. All right, so these are silver. They're pretty cool. Word stickers with all kinds of sentiments. So I'll see what I can work in there. So that's all I have. So I'm obviously going to have to grab some alphas. Not a big deal for my title. Oh, photo. Yeah, photos are important. So here's my son, and this guy right here has been one of his best friends since the dawn of time. It looks like they're just out to watch a game. Awesome, not a biggie. Don't even know where they are, but I think it's awesome that they still hang out. So they're both killing it in life. They're great guys. Squiz. Now, what I thought I wanted to do to start is I'm going to take this handy dandy piece of paper, and I want to match my layout with it. So I have a nice bright all the way around. So let me trim that to work. But I do have to trim off the bottom, the smallest bit of white. Right here it had white, and I wanted it to be really colorful. So let's do that. There we go. I need to gut this piece of paper as well. I will trim this down to 11.5 by 11.5. I have no idea how I'm going to mat my photo yet, any of that kind of stuff. We are just going for it, which is cool. It's fun, not overthinking. One of the things I've been having fun with, see, now we can see those bright colors all the way around. With this hop or series or whatever you call it of Christie's, is that I'm scrapping a bunch of my photos that aren't like the most perfect photos ever. But I like the story of them. I mean, not that I ever care that much about having the most perfect photo anyway, but it does fall in line with me just liking scrapping everyday moments and all of that. it is working. So I have this gutted because I do want to use some of the gorgeous navy blue that is in here as well. All right, so I need to get this on. So this will be on here, nice and bright. I still have the navy. I just have to decide on these pieces, pattern paper pieces, how far down I want them to go. I'm going to use some of the navy, some of this gorgeous blue, and some of probably the gingham with this orientation. And I'll be back as soon as I get that all put together. So fun check-in time. I have my background pieces are all attached. These clouds, I just have them resting across the bottom. So it's kind of good because my 7.5 inches long is not the same all the way across. I don't know how that's a thing. Now remember, I need to get my title here with some embellishments. But look at this. I have all of these raindrops, and I was thinking when I saw them, since I'm not really doing raindrops, even though I have clouds, I don't know. I think I'm going to turn them into like funky flower cluster things because I can. Then I looked at the word bits and I grabbed out the ones that will work. So awesome. Like just dance in the rain, copy books in rain, loving rainy days, that stuff. See these? They don't work for my layout. So we're just going to go with whatever does. So I have that. I still have to map my photo. I haven't done any of that yet. Not a big deal. And I want to get my clouds down and pop some up on some cheap craft foam. And then I'll be back. So I went into my extras bin and I'm trying to find something that will work. I mean, hello, dude works. I think I'll go with hello, dude. I think. Let me see. I mean, I know it's supposed to be like a baby boy line, but it does work. And we need kind of a decent sized title down here. And I haven't put in my flower bits yet. I thought I would get my title down. I've got my clouds down and I have my photo up on some craft foam. So this is going to give us some nice dimension because this is also on foam and there's these little stars in here. Because remember, the reason why I looked at the silver is because I have some of these little silver words. Okay, so I think we're going to do something like this. And the title was long. So let me find the hello. And I will get that on, but I thought I'd show you where I was going with this. So I like the way my little flower clusters came together. I'm going to have to punch out, you know, one of these papers with a little circle or something. I like this good story word right here because it nestles into the H. Great. Like I said, I want to punch. Ooh, I wonder if I have any flare that are the right size. All right, gonna go through my flare. Gonna get that. I have to go through my little silver words because that was the whole idea why I brought in the silver title. So give me a minute, I'll be right back. So I'm super happy. I use these cute Scrap and Happy Studio Flair. They're these cute little scribbly hearts to do my centers, and they were perfect, so I got a little bit of shine. Okay, so I have that. I used in each of my floral clusters some of my Heidi Swap word stickers. That's awesome. They can go to the side now. This can get put away. Now, did I just bump that? I might have bumped that. Okay. Now, let's look at, I do like this time to relax. We can pop that on. So this is just, you know, the fun where you just build and build and build and build. And see how much of your stuff you can get on your page. See the blue on the blue. I mean, I like it, but I don't love it. So we'll do the blue there. Let's do happiness is peeking out like that. And then, okay, I have that. I have this one piece that reads "Lovin' This." I think I'm gonna pop that up on just a little bit of foam as well. And then, and yes, guys, I've got 3 dogs in here right now, taking their naps. Blue is right beneath me, so he is snoring away. So I like this. Yeah, I think continuing to build up that title cluster, making it the big cluster. So I'm good there. I get to push that stuff aside. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. Now, I always like to, if I can, to bring my title bits around the page. And I've got these great silver stars. They are beyond awesome. So I think I will get 3 of those in each cluster. If I can, I will do 3 different sizes. If I can't, that's cool too. Not going to overthink at all. I just think that they are so fun and so bright. Oh, here's a cute little one. And so bright, and is bringing that silver around town. I'll do the same thing here. SpongeBob reference, people. SpongeBob. All right, so I have it there, there. And let's get this cute little guy up here. Now, the only other thing I have pulled here is these navy blue, funny enough, pretty little studio mini alphas. But I don't really know if I need to invoke them. I don't know. Because I kind of like where my clusters are. How do we feel, guys? Where would I even get their names at this point? Because it would fill in that space too much up there. I can put it down here. It just, nope, not going to do it. I have these on my desk. And the colors are bright. You know, it's Vicky Boutin. But I know I don't want to bring in any of that like coppery iridescent. And I guess I have hearts. Because I looked at this piece, I'm like, where would this go? But no, I don't think it's going to add anything. So I have that. All right, I'm going to look at my bin, see if I need to add anything else, but I probably should come in with a little bit of colorful splatty bits. Give me a minute. I'm coming in with some splatty bits, and lately I've been using a water brush to do them. Not really sure why, but I'm really digging the size of the splatty bits. Don't know. They are cooperating just a little better for me. So I have 3 colors, and I'm trying to use colors of Shimmerz that I've gotten from different mixed media stuff from Not Just for Boys Kit Club. I think I need to bring in a little bit of rednecking. So let me get that going. There we go. I don't need it red, even though, yes, I know it's called rednecking, although there is some red in here. I just wanted some of the deeper pink kind of vibe here and there. There we go. Now it's giving me what I wanted in here. And, you know, it's the ancillary benefit of getting rid of some of my white. And I don't even have that much white, and I'm calling it like I have a white background. Okay. There we go. So, for my shimmers, I used Witch's Blue, First Blush, Boogie Bourdon Blue, and finally Rednecking. And all of these that I'm using, I have Inklings, I have Creamies. Yeah, Inklings and Creamies. You just have to activate them with a little bit of water, and they're good to go. And one of the cool things about them is if you like to go to crafts, you know, they're dry when you travel, which is awesome. So that is my layout done. I think it is fun. I've been having a blast going from kit to kit, because my rule is that I don't skip over a kit. So I'm like, what can I use with these things and make it work? And I have found a photo every time. I think it's awesome the way it's been going. Okay, so that is it for day number 8. Here is the original. My clouds are taking the place of the hearts. I've got my title down here, a cluster here, but I also have a little cluster over in here. Okay, I will have links down below for other people who are playing along. And if you guys have questions, pop them down in the thingy and we'll get back to you. Bye for now, friends.